So good morning, good afternoon, good evening traders, and in today's video we're going to be looking at why good traders blew their forex accounts. Now, without further ado, I'm not going to be showing you some magic SMA strategy, some magic trendline strategy, or some magic break of structure strategy which you haven't seen before. Today's video I'm just going to show you and I'm just going to explain the psychological aspects to why traders blow their accounts. And I know a lot of traders are not going to listen to this because everybody wants a strategy. Everybody wants the 1 minute scalping strategy that's going to blow their accounts to $4 million from $200. Now, if you're that kind of trader, we don't need you in this space. Okay, so just listen to the psychological trips and the psychological tips of why good traders build their accounts. Why did I say good traders? First of all, we need to know who are good traders. Who are good traders? Now, good traders are traders who know how to obviously analyze the charts properly and take good trades, which means they can find a good opportunity in the market. They have the capability to find a good opportunity in the market, get involved using their strategy and manage. Okay, so manage quote unquote, because good traders, the best traders should know how to manage properly. Now, there's a quote saying that good traders, the best trader is gonna end up blowing his account in a day, and then the disciplined trader, the trader who is disciplined, is gonna be able to manage his capital and also keep the capital for long term. So being the best trader in the room is not really the best attribute you should have. Being the most disciplined trader should be the best attribute any trader should have. So if you're the most disciplined trader and I had $10 billion, I will be confident in giving you my funds to manage because I know you are disciplined. I know you have your strategy in check. You're not just gonna become emotional. You're not just gonna make any random trading mistake and not stick to your strategy. I wouldn't fund you with my money or capital if I know you're not a good trader. Okay, you're not disciplined. You might know how to get the best setups in the world, but if you don't know how to be disciplined and preserve capital and follow your trading rules, I'd wonder if you're a trader. Okay, so that's one thing everybody should work on: being a disciplined trader. Not obviously being the best strategist, being the best technical analyst. I know there are a lot of videos, 1,000 videos on YouTube showing you, oh, this is the break of structure strategy, this is the trend line strategy, and they all work, believe me, with good management. If you flip a coin and you manage the trades properly, buy and sell, you're going to be profitable. So that's the part of being a good trader that everybody is missing out on. Now, there are a lot of issues that make good traders blow their accounts. They are listed here. You can see overconfidence, psychological issue, no patience, no stop loss, risk management, not taking quality setups, over leveraging, over trading, trading while being distracted, trading from the phone. Now, these are all the same things. You could continue listing this and make them to be 50,000 or list a lot more of them. Okay, so if you break down all these problems, you know that they can easily be solved by a very limited results. They can easily be solved by a very limited solution, a very simple solution, not very hard solution. Okay, now imagine I'm a good trader. I come to the chart, I can find a good setup, but just because I had a loss yesterday, when I show up on the chart, instead of waiting for a good setup, I just see this market break up. I don't ask myself, where am I in the market? Is this my edge? I just place a buy this way and I got a loss. And I was like, okay. Oh, it was a loss, it was a loss. I end up taking another buy below here, trying to average in, not still following my strategy. And I end up blowing my account. That doesn't mean I'm not a good trader. It just means my emotional side, management side of my forex trading is not at point. Okay, which still means I'm a bad trader, but it doesn't. I guess you understand what I'm trying to say. You're not the worst person. You're not the worst trader just because you're not following your strategy. Okay, don't get me wrong. Now, you still know how to get into a market properly. Probably after you blow this account, you're able to sit down and check, oh, this was actually a break of structure on the lower time frame. I should have gotten an entry, or this was actually a zone I shouldn't have traded. I should have stayed out of this whole price action. Why am I trading this place? Why did I take this trade? All of these things are actually gonna limit your growth as a trader. Okay, so there are a lot of issues you can have over leveraging. That's you are taking too much leverage. Over trading, you have 100 trades a day, 300 trades a day, trading while being distracted. Okay, you're on the phone, you leave your trades, you don't manage your trades properly, you just open the trade and leave it, be careless. Trading from the phone, I know a lot of you are using your phone for a lot of distractive things, so trading from your phone could be a little bit harmful to a trader depending on your strategy. Obviously, this could be your strategy and your trading plan. Okay, trading from the phone and psychological issues. Now, all of these problems can be categorized into one. That's why I drew what a kind of categorization for these trades. Now, they can all be categorized into one. Okay, that's not having a trading plan. So TP, not having a trading plan. If you don't have a trading plan, how do you intend to take profit? Okay, that's just a joke aside. TP, TP, take profit, trading plan. I hope you get it. Now, I have only one solution that's going to solve all these problems. Now, a lot of traders are going to click off by now, so I'm going to be giving you guys the nuggets now. Now, get a trading plan. A trading plan contains everything you're going to be doing from a trade for trading from the start of the day to the end of the day. You're going to have the sessions you're going to be trading. You're going to write if you're trading news or not. What do you want to see for the supply and demand before you take a trade? Your confirmations, your entry. All this should be stated in your trading plan specifically. I know why I say it should be stated specifically, and it should be what kept in a visible place where you could easily be seeing it at all times. Okay, you should keep it in a visible place so that you can remind yourself that, oh, this is what I stand with, this is my trading strategy, because we are all humans and we tend to make mistakes. So you have to try your best to limit your trading to be more algorithmic. Okay, you can see here I underlined change change to algorithmic trading. Okay, step by step. So everything you should have should be step by step. Maybe the first thing you check in the day is a trend. You check if the trend is trending lower or not. All this should be in your trading plan. I'm gonna make a video on how to make a trading plan and how to journal your trades so you'll be able to improve as a trader. I'm gonna also give you the tools to have risk management, have break even, take profits, all of that in this channel. Subscribe, get more educational contents rather than following all the whole Lambo traders on YouTube. Now, get a trading plan. Your trading plan should have all of this. Okay, my trading plan has a lot of management, risk management, affirmations, and so on. And then you can see change to what algorithmic trading. You should have to wait for certain criteria to be met. Okay, for example, you can see here, ignore all of this markup because it's not how I trade. You can see waiting for what certain criteria to be met to take a trade. Okay, doesn't mean you never take a loss. That's why I made a previous video on strategic losses and what random losses. This was a trade I marked out. Never got tapped in. Did I FOMO into it? No. Waiting for a strategy to be met. If it doesn't get met, you wait for another day. You can show up on a day, take one quick win, one quick loss, or you could just take a break even. Okay? And you walk away from the market knowing that, oh, I just ran a good trade on my edge. Just like how you backtesting. You just take a trade. If you miss your trading plan, fine. You take that trade. If it doesn't meet your trading plan, you what? You let it run. It's not for you. You let it go. You don't risk your money because this is like a business. Also treat trading like a business. This is like a business. So you don't just show up taking any random trades. You don't just go to a market and buy any random products. You have to buy products that you know you'll be able to sell. Okay, so that's the major reason why you should what take the best trading setups. I know I've been talking for a long period of time, but hopefully this helps you a little bit. I know it's not technical, but if you check your trading style, it should be able to what help you out. Okay, so write a step-by-step goal or step-by-step steps that you're supposed to take before you open a trade. Like and subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to the channel to get more educational contents like this. And I would love to see you guys in the next video. Hopefully tomorrow we'll make a video on checking